Apna course. Get smart. Get ahead.
Now let us see what is the future of the retail payments. So customers basically are boon to the banks because customers are required for the banks. So banks always thinks about how to simplify the lives of the customers. So right from the day of having a check and the ATM and the mobile banking, retail payments have improved a lot due to the new technological developments adopted by the banks. And customers are, due to this, customers are able to make payment transactions without any hassles and also without any risk. So customers are given a innovative and technological products where they easily make transactions. So this ensures that the customers maintain accounts with the bank. See, you cannot perform a NEFT transaction without having an account with the bank. So you will be having all your savings in the bank account. So when you have a lot of money in the bank is also benefited. It's not only a single bank. There are a lot of banks in the system. So all the customers save money with the banks. And when you give more facilities like this, customers will have all their money in the banks because anytime you can transfer the funds. Earlier people used to have money at home just to ensure that I need to make an urgent payment. So now it's not at all required. You can have very limited cash at home and all the money can be kept at the bank, and using this technological products, the customers can transfer money between accounts or also to another account of another bank. As of now, these are the latest trends in the retail payment. Mobile wallet. Mobile wallet is earlier you used to carry your debit card or credit card to a particular establishment and then make a transaction. Mobile wallet is where you have the debit card and the credit card information in the mobile. So you can just show that mobile to the trader or the person in the cash register. They'll be able to just use the information in the mobile and then the transaction will be completed. So it's basically a very convenient form of making a retail payment because the credit card or debit card could get lost and you need to again call the bank to block the credit card and issue a new one. By the time the card could have been misused, again you need to call the bank and the bank has to make a lot of efforts to bring that money back. So to avoid all that, mobile wallets are a very safe way wherein the mobile is with you. You need to just take it to the store and then make the payment using the mobile wallet. Gateway vendors. See, now the institutions and banks are making a lot of transactions which facilitate the payments between customers. Now there are a lot of gateway vendors. To quote some examples, PayPal or Flipkart as a gateway payment solution where the payment services are offered for a fee by these gateway vendors, and this can be used by the small traders or individuals to make transactions. And then comes the mobile point of sale. So initially we saw about POS machines. The additional one is called the mobile point of sale. So it is called MPOS, where mobile is used to perform the functions of the point of sale instruments. So lot of innovations, lot of technological advancements are happening in retail payments, and the bank doesn't stop here. So this is just a tip of the iceberg that I have mentioned. All these three, like the mobile wallets, gateway vendors and the mobile point of sale, are just three examples of the latest trends. Daily basis, banks are making a lot of research, spending a lot of money, and they are tying up with a lot of technological people just to ensure that customers are offered the latest in technology, wherein the customers' lives are simplified, the retail payments are made without any risk and without any issues. So this trend will definitely continue, and this will definitely facilitate lot of transactions. The customer will be happy, the bank will be happy, and more technology in payments will definitely help all the players in the market. not only this, the volume also will increase with the number of customers and branches, right? See, basically, when a bank opens a branch in a city, it will be good. Similarly, if it opens branches in all over India, so now most of the leading banks have branches all over India. So, lot of retail payments will increase, and the financial system itself will grow. But how do you ensure that it all happens in a smooth way? Technology. So technology will definitely be a key factor which will ensure that the payment transactions are smoothly processed in future.
Apna course. Get smart. Get ahead.